magic ring and chain 4. Double crochet in the ring, chain 2, double crochet in the magic ring, chain 2, double crochet in the magic ring, chain 2, and another double crochet in the ring, chain 2. And now we close the circle and slip stitch in the first loop here. Okay, first row, chain 1, half double crochet, and now 3 double crochets in the same place. 1, 2, and 3 half double crochet in the same chain, in the same spot. And this is our first petal. We repeat the same in all of our 4 other places, other holes here, as you see. So slip stitch in the second hole, and now we repeat half double crochet, three double crochet in the same place, 1, 2, and 3, and we close the petal with a half double crochet. Petal 2 is ready. We repeat slip stitch in the next hole, half double crochet in the same place, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and lastly half double crochet in the same place. We have 3 petals, 2 more. Slip stitch in the next spot, half double crochet, 1, and now 3 double chains, 1, 2, 3. We close with a half double crochet and the last petal, slip stitch in the last hole, half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. We close with a half double crochet and slip stitch so we can close it. Okay, and this is our first round of petals. I can cut this right now. I don't need it anymore. And now we have to begin the second row. We have to make the base for the second row. So chain 1 and insert the hook. So in this place, chain 1, and in this place you insert the hook and take it out here. It's very easy. And chain 1. Okay, and now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We repeat. We insert the hook in this place. So here we insert the hook and take it out here. Okay, and we make a chain. Again, 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, next petal, next base, you insert the hook here and take it out here around this little foot. Okay, chain, hold the yarn and chain 1, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next feet we have here, the next little feet. You put a hook here, take it out here, and chain, make 1 chain. Very easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now, yes, this is the last little feet. Insert the hook here, take it out here, 1 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we slip stitch at the beginning of this chain 5. Okay. So we created the base for our next round of petals, as you can see. Now chain 1, and we are going to work in these little spots here. We have 5 because we have 5 petals. So slip stitch in the first space. Okay, slip stitch. Now we have to make the same as in the first row, but we always start with a half double crochet. So we make a half double crochet in the spot. This is our first half double crochet, and now we make 5 double crochets in the same spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we finish the petal with a half double crochet. And this is the petal. We have 4 more to go in these places. So insert the hook in the second and make a slip stitch. Okay, and now we repeat. Five double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We close with a half double crochet. Okay, insert the hook here and make a slip stitch. The third petal, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We finish with a half double crochet. Slip stitch in the next space, half double crochet, 5 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will begin the base for the leaves. As before, we make the base like this. So we put the hook here, take it out here, and we make a chain. We chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like this. We put the hook here and we take it out here. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we finish with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now we change the color, okay? We have the base here, as you see. And we take the other green. I make a little hook here. We begin to work in the first space. First, I'm going to introduce the hook in this place and pull the yarn out. Okay, I will take the tail and work over it. So I will make one chain and then 1/2 double crochet, then 8 double crochet, but with a little twist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and now I will make this little peak here. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make a slip stitch in this place. Okay, we put in this place. Pull and pull, and now I continue with 1, 2, 3, and 4, and finish the 1/2 double crochet. Okay, and this is our petal, our leaf, sorry, this is our leaf. And the second one, you can take the, I like to work over the tail so I can hide it. Double slip stitch, 1/2 double crochet, 4 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and I will make the little peak, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch here and here, and I continue 1, 2, 3, and 4, and my last 1/2 double crochet right here. Okay, I make a little slip stitch at the end of the yarn, the row here. Let's find the place. Okay, this is it. I'll cut the yarn. I like to hide the tail. This is our little flower is red.